Greetings and welcome to another video. In this video I will show you how to get the onboard blob for your device, meaning the SHSH blob for the version you are currently on. You need to be jailbroken for this tutorial. First of all, go to this GitHub page and you need to get device. Simply click on code and download the zip. Simply go to downloads, right click the zip file that you have downloaded, extract here, and you will get this folder device master. Now right click here, open terminal here. Now type chmod +x device.sh. Press enter. Now you are done. Now type sudo /device.sh. now it will ask you to download img4 tool. Type yes and press enter. Now if you get this error that curl is required, now simply sudo apt install curl, press enter. Now like so, curl is now installed. Now sudo /device.sh, press enter. Now yes, it will now install img4 tool. Now simply head to your device and open Cydia. Go to search and search for a package called Open SSH and simply install this package. You will just tap on it and then install this package. Once done, now go to settings. Please make sure that the Wi-Fi of your computer and the Wi-Fi of your device is the same Wi-Fi network. Now click on Wi-Fi and tap this I button and you will get the IP address. Just type this IP address into the terminal: 192.168.8.111. It can be different for you. Now simply press enter here. Now the password is Alpine, ALPINE. Press enter. Again type the password ALPINE, press enter, and you can see that we have saved the blob for iOS 14.8 because my device is currently on iOS 14.8. it's an iPhone 7. So here you can see that the blob is saved here with the ECID of my device. Yes, of course, if you are like me, you will want to test this blob if it is valid or not. Now simply open a browser and open the TSS saver website. Now simply click blob checker. Now scroll down, click on browse, and then simply select the blob that you have dumped. Open. Now select your device. So I am on an iPhone 7 and the version 14.8. Now simply click submit, and here it will check your blob if it is valid. So SHSH2 is valid, and here is all the details. 14.8, it is an erased blob, meaning you cannot use this blob to update, but you can use this blob to downgrade your device to the said version. And here you can see the generator. The blob is completely valid. Now simply keep this blob in a safe place and use it when you want to downgrade. The downgrade guides are linked in the description if you want to downgrade your compatible device. That's all for this video, guys. If you have anything to ask, please ask in the comment section. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye.